just radically creative mentality.
Right.
Like creating stuff that's just better in general. Because it's funny, a lot of like the stuff that does happen to be better for the environment or better for the earth in general also happens to be just radically better in general, right? You think of a Tesla, and there's always hot debate like, oh, the batteries, pollution with that. And it's like, okay, let's say it's even. Let's say it's even to gasoline vehicles, right?
Yeah.
In terms of the pollution. Let's say it's even. Let's say it's only like 1% better, 1% less pollution.
Right.
Okay, that might not be enough to sway the world to why we should drive electric cars.
Right.
But how about it's that, plus it's just a radically better vehicle in general. And obviously that's up for debate too, but Tesla constantly has new innovations being brought forth. They just had Battery Day, and there's some pretty interesting things with their new batteries and just how they're going to be creating their new cars. Some new innovations. They're always thinking about it, and they're like that, those really tons of creative engineers, entrepreneurs who are just creating better products in general that also happen to be seemingly better for the environment too. I think those two things go hand in hand. When you create better products, when you just create better things, they're also like better for the world. However you want to interpret that. I know it's kind of a weird subject to talk about. It's always debatable. What does better mean? But that's my viewpoint.
I think that you're onto something in that, because when you're creating better anything, it only models better behavior, right? So when you think about that, like, wow, we stepped out of diesel and gasoline and into electric. That's amazing. What's next?
Right.
Right?
Exactly.
Like, that's the conversation that we need to have. It's like, oh, it's not that much better. But it's just like, yeah, but is it making things different? Right? Because we've been trapped in the same thinking, I think, as a collective for a long time.
The earth, my earth, is bulging at the seams. The earth, my earth, it's full of many schemes. And as the sunlight beams,